how to install Stremio on Google TV. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Stremio on your Google TV so you can stream movies and shows easily. If you're trying to watch Stremio on Google TV but can't find it in the Play Store or the installation seems tricky, that's normal. Google TV doesn't always list every app officially. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to get Stremio running on your device safely. Follow these steps to get it working again. Step 1. Enable unknown sources on Google TV. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Security and Restrictions, Unknown Sources. Enable this option for the browser or file manager you'll use to install Stremio. This is necessary because Stremio isn't always available directly in the Play Store on Google TV. Step 2. Download the Stremio APK. Open the browser on Google TV and visit the official Stremio website. Download the latest Android TV compatible APK version. Make sure you only use the official site to avoid malware. Step 3. Install a file manager if needed. If your Google TV doesn't come with a file manager, install one from the Play Store like File Commander or Explorer. You'll use it to locate and open the downloaded APK for installation. Step 4. Install the Stremio APK. Open your file manager, find the downloaded APK, and select Install. Wait for the installation to finish. You might see a security prompt, just confirm to continue. Step 5. Open Stremio and sign in. Once installed, open Stremio from your app's menu. Sign in with your Stremio account or create a new one. This will sync your library and add-ons so you can continue from your PC or phone seamlessly. Step 6. Add verified add-ons. Go to the add-ons catalog in Stremio and install official verified add-ons for movies and shows. Avoid unverified sources to keep streaming safe and reliable. And that's it. Stremio should now be installed and ready to use on your Google TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear streaming guides.